Convego Service Market in action, creating a premium payment experience. This is Johan. He's recently been promoted to the head of markets for a regional bank. The bank wants to diversify its customer base and attract a more premium VIP set of customers. This becomes Johan's first task. Johan turns to Convego Service Market to implement an end-to-end experience, all from one convenient portal. He begins with the payment card creation, choosing a masterfully crafted ceramic payment card to provide a true sense of status and placing the order in a few clicks. Next, he chooses to implement digital card display, so his customers can have a virtual copy of their payment card in their app to use immediately. He then chooses to enhance the welcome and unboxing experience, creating a tailored card carrier and a sophisticated packaging solution that reflects his goals. As rapid service is important to his ideal customer, Johan chooses to enable instant PIN delivery, so his customers can choose their own PIN directly in the app as soon as they receive their card. To further reinforce this instant smooth customer experience, Johan also chooses to deploy one-tap activation, so his customers can activate their card just by tapping it to their smartphone. It's that simple and straightforward. Johan has assembled a convenient, premium payment experience, perfectly designed to attract the most exclusive of customers. That's the power of Convego Service Market. One platform, endless possibilities.